Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Renault Clio 16 plate 2016, metallic red. Car has front daylights. It's 5-door hatchback car. Car has rear parking sensors. DCi diesel car. Has split folding rear seats. Black velour interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX. 4 electric windows. It's got electric and folding mirrors. Car has media, got telephone, Bluetooth connection, touch screen, has satellite navigation, USB aux, climate control aircon, push button to start, 5-speed manual gearbox, cruise control speed limiter, has eco mode, 2 central cup holders. Thank you for watching.